Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, make sure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These are essential for safely opening your Lenovo E14 and preventing any static damage to the components. First, power down your laptop completely and unplug it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the 5 Phillips screws located at the bottom of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be cautious not to damage any internal components during this process. With the back cover removed, you can see the internal layout of your Lenovo E14. Locate the USB-C port, which is soldered onto the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area around the port using a can of compressed air to remove any dust or debris that could interfere with your repair. Next, take a close look at how the port is connected. You'll need to unscrew the bracket that holds the USB-C port in place. This typically involves removing 1 or 2 small screws. Carefully set these screws aside. If you notice any adhesive, gently loosen it using the spudger, but be careful not to apply too much force. Now, it's time to solder the USB-C port. This step requires a soldering iron and some practice, so if you're not comfortable with soldering, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and can assist you with this step. If you choose to proceed, heat the soldering iron and carefully apply it to the solder joints connecting the USB-C port to the motherboard. Once the solder is melted, gently wiggle the port free and remove it from the motherboard. Before installing the new port, ensure that the area is clean and free of any solder residue. Position the new USB-C port in place, aligning it with the solder pads on the motherboard. If you're unsure about the soldering process, consider our service for pickup and delivery at your home, which makes repairs convenient without the hassle of travel. Once the new port is in place, solder it securely to the motherboard. This requires a steady hand and good lighting. After the solder has cooled, check the connections to ensure they are solid and there are no cold solder joints. Now, reattach the bracket and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. It's crucial to ensure that everything is tightened properly to prevent any movement or damage during use. Before closing the laptop, it's wise to perform a quick test. Power on your Lenovo E14 and check if the USB-C port is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before committing to any additional services. Once confirmed that everything is working, replace the back cover by aligning it and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert the screws to secure the cover. Congratulations on successfully replacing the USB-C port on your Lenovo E14. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.